welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be eating on a whole king crab. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you can become a Heyyy Pooh because it's lit over here. Okay guys, so yeah, we got a whole king crab. I'm excited. This is my very first whole king crab on my channel. And I also have like 2 or 3 prawns in the front and a corn on the cob. I have some lemon back here. And of course, I have my beloved Smackalicious sauce. So yep, so we're gonna go ahead and get eating because, ooh, that looks good, right, y'all? This is gonna be my first time trying it. Can I get a kitchen towel thing, the drying towel? Cause this is, when I tell y'all, this is so spiky. Ooh, it's hot as hell. It's so spiky, y'all. I mean, obviously it was gonna be spiky, but I didn't know it was gonna be like that spiky. They're totally different from Costco king crab or Sam's Club king crab. So let's go ahead while it's hot. Ooh, yeah, that is, oh my gosh. I should have known because Casey used the towel too in her video that she did a while back, I think. Ooh. Let's see, they said this meat is much fresher. So let's see. Wow. It's definitely a difference. Wow, that's good, y'all. Ooh. Okay, I wish y'all could see the sauce. Dang, y'all can't even see me dipping. My husband gonna try to adjust it for me, y'all. That's good. Thank you. It's good. Okay. Ooh, that tastes really good. This leg is really spiky, y'all. I'm not even lying. Ouch. So I ordered this Wednesday and it came Thursday. That's how Maine lobster roll, y'all. They ship your stuff out the next day. So how's everybody been doing? Let me know in the comments. I hope you are well. I hope your family is well. Ooh, that's hot. I just burnt my finger. That's good. You don't want that? Want to taste it?
I'll get some later. I'll get some later.
I gotta have my husband try it. It's so fresh. Now I'm eating the knuckle part, y'all. I also seasoned the pot too with some Cajun seasoning. That's pretty much it, just some Cajun seasoning. And I know somebody in my last video, I think, asked, do I like the Kerrygold butter better than the, what butter did I have? It was a sweet cream butter or something like that. Yes, I've been using butter, Kerrygold butter in my sauces for a minute now. It tastes so much better to me. So, If you never tried Kerrygold butter, you need to go try it. Somebody, Tasting with Tia actually put me up on Kerrygold butter. She told me about this a while ago. Ooh. So for those who don't like a lot of talking, this is the video for you. I am struggling right now because it's so like
shell so sharp.
Yes, it hurts, you know, to open it. Ouch. Ooh. That took like 2 minutes. Dang. I know y'all probably like. That's good. Let's get a prawn. I know y'all probably like, she got a prawn and she got all that king crab. Yep. I love these things. Especially like when Queen Beast eat them. Man, I think she eat prawns the best. Like, ooh. Excuse me. I burped, y'all. Can you give me some water? I'm gonna drink some water. Y'all know I usually don't drink in my mukbangs. I don't know why. I just don't. Thank you. Mm. You sure you don't want to try none right now?
You want me to?
If you want to.
Doesn't matter. I can wait. You can be now.
You can try now. I could dip it for you if you want me to.
Careful.
You know what? I'm gonna have to move this down again. And then take you a leg off. You want me to cut it and everything for you?
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Ah! These boys ain't no joke. I'll give you the big part for, you know. I know you like the thigh more than anything. Oh my God. I'm all over the place. I appreciate y'all. Huh?
No, I was saying the thigh and the knuckle.
The thigh and the knuckle? Yeah, you love the knuckle. I like all parts of the king crab, to be honest. I don't know what's in that head. I don't know. Do I supposed to eat it or?
Crack it open?
I have no idea. I just ordered the damn thing. I know some people don't eat seafood because of that reason. Like, they're like, it's too much shit. Like, Them birds going ham outside, man. My goodness. Y'all probably can't hear them outside, but they going crazy. Want me to dip it for you? Or you want to dip it?
You can dip it.
Oh.
Thank you.
Want some lemon on it?
Yeah, the works.
Okay. There you go.
Thanks, baby.
Welcome. Got it? Do you taste the difference?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Huh?
I feel hell.
Mm-hmm. It's so good. It was worth it. This would be cute for like an office party or something. You know, like. Or like a family event and sit it on the table or something.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, have y'all been seeing what's going on with K. Michelle? Y'all comment and let me know what y'all think about it. I just want to know. Oh. That's so good. You want some more?
I'll wait.
So to sum it up, you tell them what K. Michelle was saying in her couple videos she did.
You want me to tell her?
Mm-hmm. I kind of checked out a little bit, all the stuff she was saying.
But yeah, she was basically saying that that all men ain't shit. We ain't gonna never be shit. We a bunch of cheaters.
She said that y'all a bunch of cheaters.
Yeah, and that that basically every man cheats, and it's only 1% of men that don't cheat, which is God and Obama.
Which is God and Obama.
And if there is a man walking the earth,
he's gay.
Yeah, that doesn't cheat, he's gay.
I think that's hilarious. I'm sorry, but I think it's hilarious. I don't know why. I just find it so funny. I just do. I mean, you could tell she's just kind of like hurt and stuff, you know. But it's just amazing to hear what a lot of how people view different people. You know what I'm saying? How people view the opposite sex. You know. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So
that's crazy.
That's good. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the whole K. Michelle thing. It's even hard to cut these boys. They asked her, they said, what do you... Because she talks very highly of her dad, right? So they basically asked her, is your dad in that 1%? And the vibe I got is almost like she didn't want to say that he was a part of the 1%.
She did.
She did. She said, she did. She said, well, he's my dad, so I'm going to just be honest. I'm saying that, yeah, because he's my dad.
Yeah, I was about to say, but that's not generally putting him in there. Like, he got in on the curve because that's his daughter. Like, if she really felt that way, like her dad was on Obama and Jesus status,
she would have said that first.
Exactly.
But I'm just wondering what her dad think about this whole interview. I mean, not that she probably even cared because she's grown, but I'm just wondering, like, for him to hear her say those words, you know, like all men are not good, like, not just that, she has a son too, you know.
And she in a relationship with a dude.
That's what I don't understand. Guess everybody's just different. But, and then she said she was trying to have a baby with the dude. It's like, why? If you feel like he ain't shit, then why would you want to bring a baby into this world with a person that you think isn't that great? You know what I'm talking about? Mm-hmm. We all are flawed, but she said, she didn't even say her boyfriend was in the 1%. So if she think that way, why would you want to have a baby with somebody? Why would you want to bring your child into this world with somebody that you don't even consider? Well, she said he will make a good father. So, but I don't know. Yeah, she said he'll make for a good father. But to be honest, this is just my opinion. We can agree to disagree. It seems like, and I ain't trying to, you know, force people to go to therapy or anything like that, but I feel like she needs some type of help somewhere. Mm-hmm. And, you know, I'm no doctor or anything like that, so I'm not trying to, you know, but I just feel like she needs some help somewhere.
Happened to her too.
Yeah, something happened. She said it wasn't just, things didn't just happen with her, that she go to like different states and stuff, and women come up to her out of all the states. Every state she go to, she said that women just come up to her. But I mean, that's,
I don't believe it.
I don't know.
Random women just come up to you and tell you, "Oh, my man ain't shit."
I guess so.
Why her though?
I guess because of her songs. You know, her songs tell it all. You know, have you heard her music?
I mean, she kind of remind me like of another Keisha Cole, basically. But
there's nothing wrong with making, I guess, music like that, but
I mean, guess is all her music just bashing men though? Like,
honestly, everyone that I heard is. But I mean, again, I don't listen to K. I don't listen to K. Michelle like that. So I'm not gonna say all her music is. I'm just gonna say the songs that I've heard. Yes. You know, but for me, I guess even if I felt that way about men, no one would ever know that. And I know she's real, but sometimes you got to learn to be quiet. Everybody don't need to know how you feel or how you know, what you're thinking about. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just, I think about a lot of different stuff, but I don't go and just start saying it because I know.
Man, I don't, she can't feel that way. That's got to be like a promotional type thing.
You think so?
For her music. Because, I mean, I think like some of that pain is real, but
you can see the pain in her eyes. She is not playing.
But I mean, if you really felt that way, you wouldn't be in a relationship with a dude. You wouldn't be trying to have a baby with a dude.
That's what I was thinking. Like, why be in a relationship then with somebody? And I think the guy is a doctor who she's with. I think he's a doctor, a dentist or something. I don't know.
I mean, you wouldn't trust him at all.
Ooh, that bad boy's smoking. You said what now?
You wouldn't trust him at all.
Well, she said he got qualities that she said, I think she said basically like he's okay. You know what I mean? Y'all, I might have some stuff in my teeth. I have braces. That's the life. But I hope she meets a man that would change her way of thinking. You know? I do. But the way she's acting is I don't want to review my opinion on it too much, but it's like the way she's acting is just almost like she don't want to. It's like she wanted to
be a problem.
She want to think that way. Mm-hmm. She don't, and she don't. She the type of person where. Have you ever met somebody where they feel like they wasn't wrong at all, like in any situation, or they just never wrong, pretty much? Me, whatever. But you know, she just come off like she just never wrong, you know. And so it's like when if she do meet a guy, I don't think it seemed like she would just still ignore him because she don't want to be wrong, you know. But it seemed like she's just so accustomed to being unhappy that when she do meet somebody, she gonna find every little thing wrong with them. She just gonna pick at them. Everybody is flawed in this world. You can't Michelle yourself. You are flawed. Period.
That's true.
I'm sure there's something wrong with you, but that man is willing to overlook it.
She damaged, man.
And willing to accept
that's
it.
Part of it. But dude gotta.
Well, I don't like that word damaged.
He got it.
I don't think she's damaged. I just think she's just going through something right now.
I'm not saying damaged as in like, but somebody did, like a dude or dudes did damage her. Like somebody hurt her so bad that she like.
Well, it's not just somebody; it's multiple men.
That's what I'm saying, bro. It's multiple.
Yep. I hope she finds somebody though.
Cause for her to have a general statement. Cause
I hope somebody find her. Let me say that. You said what now? I'm sorry.
I said for her to make a general statement like that about me, because it's like, I mean.
But everybody feels different. Everybody thinks different. So I'm not knocking nobody on how they feel at all. You feel that way. You feel that way, and I'm not gonna take how you feel away. Like that was your personal experience.
Keep hope alive, man. There's still some solid ones out there.
Yeah.
I know 5 of them.
Oh.
Look at you talking about. You sound like her and talk about who. Don't worry about it. I know 5.
Okay. I'm just kidding. This is so delicious, y'all. So delicious. I'm just wondering how Fantasia looking at K Michelle right now.
Yeah, because when she basically slamming Fantasia.
No, she wasn't slamming her.
She wasn't?
She just basically said Fantasia can keep that over there talking about submitting and shit. For me, it's just like, just work together. And everybody's marriage is different, so you can't sit there and tell somebody to submit to somebody, you know, to your husband. What I'm trying to say is everybody's marriage is different. I don't think women should be out here speaking on how they should be. And I also don't feel, you know, like Fantasia, she was just, I think, honestly, I feel like she should have spoke from her own herself instead of saying that's why women out here single. I feel like she should have said that's why some women are out here single. And you get what I'm saying?
And some men
and K Michelle, I feel some men are bad. The men that, or she could have just simply said, the men that I came across treated me like shit. You know, so I have a real negative view on men, is what she should have said. But I'm not going to take that from another woman. I'm not going to sit there and tell another woman all men are bad. You don't do that. You know, you putting that negative, what I'm trying to say, you putting that negative image in younger girls' head.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta understand, you on all these platforms and you speaking on these radio shows and stuff. These kids watching it.
Yeah,
all kids watch YouTube.
Look up to you.
Right, and they may look up to her. You know, so you just gotta be mindful of what you say and how you say it. Even if you feel a certain way, sometimes it's okay not to say every damn thing that come to your head. You know what I'm saying? I have to learn that because I used to say whatever, whenever, didn't care who I hurt, none of that. I did. But, you know, I done got mature and I've learned words can affect people. It can. And you got to be careful how you deliver certain things, you know? So, but y'all, I'm done eating. I feel like I ate a lot. How many legs did I eat? 2. I feel like I ate more than that.
You ate 2 of them?
I think, no, I probably ate 3.
You got 1, 2, 3, 4.
3. You ate 1. I think, I don't know. Shit, I don't know. Aiden go, my younger son, he gonna be so happy to get this, y'all. I told him I'll save him some, so he got what, 2 legs?
He can have the rest of it.
Yeah. I don't know how to open this. We're gonna have to figure this out.
You wanna open it right now? Okay.
No, because I don't. It's too.
There you go. Yeah. You separate the body up.
No, I'm not gonna open it.
Why? They want to see it.
No, I'll just wait. They can look it up. Y'all can look it up, okay?
You remember what the blue crab looked like? You remember when you opened the blue crab?
Yes. I almost passed out. Water is life. But all right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for joining. Let me know y'all opinions on, and be respectful, please, in the comments. I don't want y'all arguing with each other, and it's okay to disagree with one another, right? But just do it respectfully. We all have different point of views. We all have different backgrounds. We all was raised different. So just keep that in mind when you leave a comment, okay?
Real shit.
But all right, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Thank y'all so much for joining. This was so delicious, okay? Period. Delicious, okay? Oh my god, like I gotta get another one for real. It was that good to me, y'all, because it was fresh. You know, it's just a different taste. I don't know. It was just a different. And I heard people say it on their channels, but I'm like, I mean, I know they weren't lying, but I guess I just didn't know what fresh really tastes like, because I never really had fresh seafood, to be honest. So I didn't know. But all right, y'all, I'm rambling at this point. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye, y'all.